Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside GoZen Forms. So a Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. GoZen Forms is a new code survey, form and quiz builder that streamlines data collection. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a webhook inside GoZen Forms and send the data to other applications as an event will take place. So to begin with the setup, I will go to my trigger window and over here, I'm going to search for GoZen Forms as my trigger application. And the trigger event will be on form submission. So this trigger will start working whenever a form will be submitted. So as I did that, over here you can see a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect your GoZen Forms account with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to build a connection, I'm going to take you to my GoZen Forms account. So this here is my GoZen Forms account and here is my dashboard. So as per the instructions that is given, it says log into GoZen Forms account, go to workspace, select the specific form on which you want to set trigger. So over here you can see that this here is my workspace and I'm going to select this form that is by the name of lead forms. And now in order to build a connection, I will go to integrate. And I'm just going to scroll down and I will go to custom webhook. It says webhook lets you send form submissions to a specific URL. So now I'm going to click on connect. And over here inside webhook URL field from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL. And over here, I'm going to paste it and click on create. So as I did that, over here I've successfully added a webhook inside my GoZen Forms account. So this form that is by the name of the lead forms is successfully connected. So over here we have already activated this webhook. So as I've added a webhook successfully, I will go to share. I'm going to copy the link and I'm going to open this link in new incognito window. So over here I'm just going to paste it. And this over here is a form. But before proceeding ahead, I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that it is waiting for webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. To do a test submission, I'm going to submit that form which I've opened in incognito window. So I'm going to take you to that form. And now I'm going to do a test submission. So here I'm going to click on start. So here let's say that the full name is current user. And the email is currentuser@pabblytuts.com. Proceeding ahead, here I'm going to mention the mobile number. So firstly, I'm going to select my country, that is India. And this here is a dummy mobile number that I'm going to enter. So now I'm going to submit this form. So over here it says thank you. That means this form has been successfully submitted and the details would have been captured inside Pabbly Connect and the response can be seen in GoZen Forms as well. So I'm going to take you to my GoZen Forms account first. So yes, over here in my GoZen Forms account, under the responses section, you can see that over here the details. Here you can see the submitted date and time. Here's the full name, email, phone number, and this here's the ending screen. That means over here in my GoZen Forms account, I've got the form details. So now I'm going to take it to Pabbly Connect. And yes, over here I've received a response and this here is a positive response. So here you can see the details of the form submission. That means here are the details that were filled during the form submission. So here is the mobile number, this here is the full name, and this here is the email address. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the form submission details. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside GoZen Forms. Now whenever there will be a new form submission made, then automatically the response will be captured over here inside Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the form response, so just by going to this action window, I can select any application where I want to send the data. So we have successfully set up a webhook inside GoZen Forms and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.